The black-backed jackal Canis mesomelas is a species of small to medium-sized carnivores native to parts of Africa. Black-backed jackals are found in various regions of Africa. They can be seen in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, and even urban areas across the continent. The most notable feature of the black-backed jackal is the black saddle-shaped patch that extends from the shoulders to the base of the tail. This black patch contrasts with the rest of the body, which is generally golden yellow to light brown in color. The legs, underbelly, and facial area are usually a lighter color, often tan or whitish. The tip of the tail is usually black, and the rest of the tail matches the color of the body. The black-backed jackal has a slender and dog-like build. It is relatively small to medium-sized among canids. They have a pointed muzzle with a black nose and well-developed, erect, and pointed ears. Their eyes are typically amber or light yellow, contributing to their keen sense of sight. The tail is bushy and held high while running. Black-backed jackals are generally seen in pairs or small family groups, consisting of a monogamous breeding pair and their offspring. These family units cooperate in various activities, such as hunting, raising young, and defending territory. Like many canids, young black-backed jackals engage in playful behavior. Play serves important developmental and social functions, allowing them to practice hunting skills and strengthen bonds within the family group. The black-backed jackal is known for its wide range of vocalizations, which play a crucial role in communication within its social group and for territorial purposes. The howl is one of the most recognizable sounds of the black-backed jackal. It is a high-pitched, eerie howl that can carry over long distances. Howling helps in coordinating group activities, locating pack members, and asserting territorial boundaries. Jackals produce a series of high-pitched yelps, especially during social interactions or when communicating with their family members. These yelps can signify excitement, playfulness, or serve as a call to gather the pack. The jackal's bark is a sharp and short sound that is often used as an alarm call to signal potential danger. It can also be a vocalization of excitement or a way to establish communication within the pack. When feeling threatened or during aggressive interactions, black-backed jackals can emit low growling sounds as a warning to potential adversaries. Jackals may whine as a submissive behavior or when seeking attention or comfort from other members of their family group. A unique vocalization of the black-backed jackal is a chatter or staccato call, which sounds like a rapid series of short, high-pitched noises. This vocalization is often associated with excitement or anticipation, especially during hunting or feeding. When confronted with danger or feeling trapped, jackals may emit a high-pitched scream as an expression of fear or distress. Black-backed jackals typically measure around 70 to 85 centimeters from the tip of their nose to the base of their tail. At the shoulder, they stand about 38 to 48 centimeters tall. Their bushy tails can be 25 to 30 centimeters long. Adult black-backed jackals usually weigh between 6 to 14 kilograms. Females tend to be slightly smaller and lighter than males. The lifespan of black-backed jackals in the wild is typically around 8 to 10 years. However, this can vary depending on various factors, including the availability of food, predation risk, and overall environmental conditions. In captivity, where they are protected from many of the threats they face in the wild, black-backed jackals may live slightly longer, up to 12 to 15 years or more. As with many wild animals, survival rates can be influenced by factors such as disease, predation, competition for resources, and human-related impacts like habitat loss and hunting. The mortality rate for young jackals is generally higher than for adults, and only a portion of the pups born each year will reach adulthood. The primary component of the black-backed jackal's diet consists of small mammals. They hunt and consume a variety of animals, such as mice and rats, hares, small antelope, and other small mammals they can catch. Jackals are capable of catching and eating birds, including small ground birds, waterfowl, and their eggs when they find them. Insects form a part of the jackal's diet, especially during times when other food sources are scarce. They may eat insects like grasshoppers, beetles, and termites. Black-backed jackals are opportunistic scavengers and will readily feed on carrion, which includes the remains of dead animals left behind by other predators or due to natural causes. Although animal matter constitutes the majority of their diet, they are known to consume various fruits, berries, and plant material. This is more common during certain seasons or when animal prey is scarce. In areas with human populations, black-backed jackals may scavenge for food scraps or raid crops, making them occasional pests to farmers. Black-backed jackals typically form monogamous pairs, where a male and a female form a long-term bond and mate exclusively with each other. These pairs work together in raising their offspring and maintaining their territory. The breeding season for black-backed jackals varies depending on the region. In some areas, they may breed year-round, while in others, the peak breeding season may occur during specific times of the year. During the breeding season, the monogamous pair engages in courtship behavior, which includes displays of affection, mutual grooming, and vocalizations. Howling is common during this time, likely serving as a way to strengthen the bond between the pair and signal their status to other jackals in the area. After mating, the female has a gestation period of about 60 to 70 days. She gives birth to a litter of typically 3 to 6 pups, although litter size can vary. The pups are born blind and helpless, relying on their parents for care and nourishment. Both the male and female are involved in caring for and protecting the young. The female spends more time in the den with the pups during the early weeks after birth, while the male helps by providing food and protecting the territory. The pups start to open their eyes after about 10 days, and their ears become erect. As they grow, they become more active and start exploring their surroundings, eventually learning essential survival skills from their parents. Once the pups reach a certain age, usually around 6 to 8 months old, they will begin to disperse from their natal territory. This dispersal behavior helps prevent inbreeding and promotes genetic diversity among black-backed jackal populations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.